Shout out millions over pennies.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got Rell.
See, I think we got one.
Pink slip, bitch, I got that cash in my pocket, yeah, pink slip. And I'm doing the dance off the lot, yeah, pink slip.
Nigga, this a hot bust, this shit, I ain't come with no pink slip.
And I got little Prince with me and he ride with a 30 clip.
Nigga, don't get your ass flipped, fuck when I get your ass dipped.
I'm play with these niggas, they all get killed.
Yeah, pink slip. My nigga shiesty with them sticks, so don't get popped, nigga. Get you knocked, nigga.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy Rell, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man, Rell. Y'all already know what it is, man. Right now, man, we in Fayetteville right now. We went from Little Rock to Fayetteville. We coming up here to the radio station. Got the whole gang with me today. You know what I'm saying? The boys is out, man. Got Big Crib in the building.
What's cracking? What's cracking?
Come on, man. Yes, sir, man. We got the whole gang out here, man. SG, everybody. Come on, man. We got the camera rolling, man. It's that time. You better get on there, man. It's that time. Talk y'all shit. Come on, man. All the way in Fayetteville with it. For real, for real. Yes, sir. Gonna put your stuff on there. Know what I'm saying?
Hey, hold on.
Gonna put yours on there for the peoples, man.
Oh yeah, just be waiting for real, man. MOP. Be waiting for real on Instagram, be waiting for real on Snapchat, Facebook, all that, man. You know we tapped in on Rell to Real.
Come on, man. Come on, man. SG, put it out there.
SG Santana, man. 138 on Instagram. A whole lot of MOP shit, man. Shout out Rell to Real.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy A1, what's up, man?
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Put it out there. This a whole nother video, so you got to get to them all over.
A1 on Instagram, tap in with Rell to Real, no cap.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Big Crib gonna let them know.
Big Crib, man, on IG, man. 2 eyes, man. Tap in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Catch the walk in, man. I got you. I got you. Y'all already know my boy Ace in the building. Tapped in. My boy gonna put it out there for him, man.
What it do, man? MOP, how we moving, man.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Everywhere we need to be. Ain't playing no game. Ain't it right? You know I know how to work this motherfucker, my nigga. Come on now. I ain't slipping. We ain't slipping. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on.
Send me in for the challenge. You heard? They tell you what you need, man. They tell you. Tell them jump in the challenge. Trying to do 10K, man. Trying to do 10K, tap in. I'm gonna stand up and do it to make it easier when it's That one works. Y'all gonna show this? We're gonna show this.
Shit, what's that? Goddamn trap hard.
The trap hard shows.
Nah, I was talking about for my joint.
You know what
It's all good. Try to get everybody in that thing.
You good?
Yeah.
Good. Everybody about to go live now. Millions of pennies. You see what it is? Alright. Y'all ready to do this thing? Tell everybody come on in and get close.
Hey, you coming in or not?
What's that right there? It's big, man.
Oh!
Tell him to get close enough whenever we get.
Hey, you coming in? Cause he got close. No.
Come on, just slide them on there right here. Shy.
Bro, all the cameras facing over here. I'm barely at my own camera. They see me every day. I ain't tripping about my camera. Let them see somebody else. Yeah. Battery probably gonna go dead anyway.
Come on, man.
I had you just change it up.
Doing great.
What's up, nigga? What's up with it? That's my nigga Trap, right? Tell him we in Fayetteville with it, man. We in Fayetteville with it. Let me do the interview on the call you back.
Sound check real quick. Talk that thing. You have to put it till you pull that till you put it out. Remove. What's crack?
So y'all got to stretch it again, pull it up like we did, like pull it all the way down, and then lift it up. Y'all should be real quick. You don't work, right?
Yeah.
It's live. No, we ain't live. It's sound check.
That's all good.
I'm gonna live on mine.
Yeah, the accent thing,
we're gonna move.
Yeah, move around.
Yeah, we'll do it more.
You can do it with us instead of them two.
Yeah, you just put that mic over there, y'all. Put it over there. Yeah, you go like that. Turn that in the middle, y'all. Turn that in the middle. In the middle, you in here. No, you in the rear. Right there. Boom.
You're in the rear.
Yeah, that don't work.
That one don't work.
Yeah, we gonna do this.
Make sure all this is mine.
Like this.
It's right in front. You see all them? Over there. Don't let it fall off the table. Hey.
Here you go.
Y'all ready? I'm gonna close the door when we ready.
What?
Everybody out far like motherfucker.
Hey, come right here. Come right there. Come right there. Look at this. Y'all just swap out. You and him swap out.
I'm gonna tell you what. Here.
Come on, you still can't see him. Oh.
You can, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Good.
Can you hear behind?
Best you can do.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah.
That's all.
You ready?
Kids for the 543 and 1340 for hip hop and R&B live. This is the day party with your boy DJ D Cool. Y'all, we got a special interview today. We got millions over pennies in the building. What's good, y'all?
What's going on, bro?
Man, there's a lot of y'all. So we gotta have an introduction, man. We need an introduction. Everybody, what's the introduction, man? Introduce them to everybody.
Look, they know what's going on. When we popped out, man. It's your boy B-Way for real. MOP, for real.
Man, it's your boy Big Crip, man.
Hey, Crip, what's good?
You know what's going on? It's A1.
Hey, what's hood? What's hood? Keep it going.
What's poppin', man? It's AG Santana.
Yes, G Santana, what's good?
Man, you already know, hey man, say man, it's your boy Rell to real, man. Come on now.
Real, already. That's what we got?
Yes, sir.
Niggas over penny, straight up, man. Y'all making a movement right now. I've been seeing y'all shaking. Man, y'all gotta let me know what y'all pushing right now. What singles, what projects, what is shaking right now for millions over pennies?
Man, right now, everybody got like a lot of little individual stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got their own lane. And that's what make us so powerful, you know what I'm saying?
Like that.
You know, I've been down here coming through Fayetteville, so y'all already know we wait for real. I got a single, me and Big Crip got a single called BML. It's in rotation in Fayetteville. Y'all need to friend with it so we can come down here and turn y'all up. I'm gonna let everybody else tell you about what they working on too.
I just dropped the Undeniable project about a month ago. Right now, got more singles in rotation. We just dropped the.
Who talking? Tell them who talking.
Oh yeah, this is Big Crip talking, man. Big Crip talking. I just dropped that Letter to Nip. It's in rotation. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we putting it together.
Big Crip, you got some jams on that project. Tell us more about that project. What we need to be looking out for?
1 to 13, everything bumping, man. From the intro to the Love Me, that's the last song on the project.
What it say? Undeniable.
Already. Bet. Hey, what you got?
Mine, right now, Man, right now I'm just working on the tape. I ain't really dropped nothing yet, so I'm working on the tape right now.
Any singles, any freestyles you just to get a taste of what you got?
Man, I ain't dropped nothing yet. Right now I'm just in grind mode. I'm in album mode right now. So I'm trying to get everybody ready.
So it's gonna be a big surprise on everybody.
It's gonna take over.
You been dropping some on your Thriller though.
I've been dropping thrillers on Instagram, like for people to get, a taste of it.
So what's going on? Yeah, where can we find you at then and check you out?
And then I just did a feature with Big Fizzle.
Okay, that's the business. And where can we find that at?
And I ain't out yet.
Now tell them about your Instagram.
Man, we got to find something.
You can drop the clips on your
Yeah, I'll be dropping clips and new music on my Instagram just for people to tap in.
Alright.
So that's what I'm going off of right now, just to my fan base.
And what's your Instagram? So
A1_official_A1_.
Alright. Keep it going. What y'all got to say?
What's that?
What's poppin', man? SG Santana, we got a 10K challenge going on right now. Open verse challenge, whoever can put the hardest verse on my song. And you can find the song in our bios on Instagram, AceWells100 and SG Santana_138. 10K on the line. All you gotta do is come out, I'm coming on the song.
What if get money boys in the feds, man?
Man, what if
I was just gonna
say, y'all trying to tap in for any features or anything, contact AceWells on Instagram.
No. Let's go back to that now. We moved a little bit too fast on that. Now what again? Let everybody know. Repeat that.
I said y'all trying to tap in for any features or anything, you can contact AceWells.
The challenge. You know what I'm talking about.
It's 10K right now, man. It's 10K everywhere. I know y'all been seeing it. It's buzzing right now. We got 10K on the line. This ain't we got somebody picked and none of that. Everything straight from the street.
So this ain't what guy did. This ain't no roll now.
Just so they know, look, we dropping the mic.
It's all good.
We hype.
It's all good.
Just so they know, we just left another radio station and the cash is on the table.
We seen.
So they need to know it's for real. I just had to reiterate that so they'll know. It's for real now. Tap in.
We got to reiterate something else too. Millions Over Pennies is the biggest label coming out of the state of Arkansas, and I'm standing on it.
He's standing on it. They're underlined.
So they heard it here first in February right now.
Right now.
Biggest label is here right now.
Real telling.
And it ain't only just rappers, you know what I'm saying? I'm a YouTuber, so I'm a big YouTuber. They're coming out of Arkansas, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I stay in Dallas now. Yeah, I do YouTube. Yeah, real to real.
Put us on game.
Yeah, I do car content, stuff like that. So it ain't only that we get money with the rapper, we get money on the internet side too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all of it. And I got a car show May 28th. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be in Little Rock. Yeah. Well, I'm a brand ambassador for Corleone Forge wheels too, so all my whips on Corleone Forge. You know what I'm saying? If they want to catch me, they can see me March 28th. May 28th. May 28th. You know what I'm saying? Down Benton, Arkansas, at the fairground. Yeah, so I got a big car show. Yeah, so if you got them whips, bring them out. Box Chevys, you know how we do trucks, Hellcats, whatever. You know, I got all of them, so you know, I got every single one. We ain't playing.
Okay, where can I find you on YouTube again?
Man, Rell to Real, that's RELLTOREAL. And on Instagram is RealGang_1. As you see on the merch, you know what I'm saying?
So you see what's going on, man. It's a parable. It's a whole lot of power. We got the biggest influencer, man. I say the biggest because in my eyes, I feel like he's the biggest YouTube influencer right now. So hey, tap in on YouTube. Everybody's on YouTube. Tap in to Rell to Real right now.
Yeah, for sure.
So tell me, what's the goal of Millions Over Pennies? What are y'all about to do to the game?
Fuck it up.
Yeah. It's just different. I'm gonna tell you what's so crazy. What made me even come over to the table because it's just like a family thing. Yeah. Like we all eat. Ain't nobody out of our crew ain't eating. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna make sure we eat. Yeah, for real. We gonna make sure everybody eat. Everybody gonna have a bankroll in their pocket.
And see, it ain't just about the music. Like we trying to get into doing like real estate, like promotion. Like we trying to do everything. We trying to do it all. Like I say, like it's family oriented. Like everybody in here, we gonna eat together. We sit down at the table. We come over everything together, and it ain't just no one. You know what I'm saying? If B-Way got an interview, Crip gonna be there. NG gonna be there. A1 gonna be there. Ace gonna be there. Like That's how I rock. That's how we gonna rock.
I love it. So how did y'all link up? How did it become, you know what I'm saying, official?
Like I've been knowing, bro. Like Ace, I've been knowing Ace since I was about 15, 16. Like it's always been a brother thing since we met. You know what I'm saying? Like we done did so much crazy stuff together. But like he always knew that this rap was my dream. You know what I'm saying? And he always been the one to go get it. You know what I'm saying? So he was like, we talked about this 4-5 years ago. He was locked up. I was out. Then he ended up getting out. I got locked up, and then I came back home, and we took off from there. I've been knowing B-Wade. I've been knowing B-Wade for about 6-7 years. You know what I'm saying? We had linked up. We was working on some stuff, and then we both ended up getting locked up around the same time. So almost everybody in this, you know what I'm saying, circle that just came home. You know what I'm saying? So now we got the tables rolling.
Got the beds together. That's how.
Hey, that was so crazy. Cause I met B-Wade in a pen. We were just sitting in the cell probably like 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, talking about like everything that's going on right now, like real deal, like manifesting this shit, and to get out and link up how we did out the blue type shit, like this shit crazy.
Hey, look, show your live this, cause this is what I first seen. If you see it, you look at it, it's just a circle that says millions over penny.
I love it.
But it was his vision, you hear me?
Yeah.
I remember dude running in my cell in the prison, you hear me, with something like this on paper.
Bro, and it's this right here, and it turned into this.
Dude running in my cell was
and it turned into this.
Like, bro, I'm telling you, this finna be the biggest label in the state.
Man, they give me chills, man.
And I dropped the mic on that.
Bro, they give me chills, man.
He did what he said.
For real, bro, like for real, and y'all here. You know what I'm saying?
He did what he said, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man,
he came and got every real nigga he know, you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm sure he know more. He came and got every real nigga that he know. Like,
man.
Success, power. It's all in one penny.
I'm rocking with y'all.
All in one penny.
In one penny. I love all that, bro. For real, for real. Now y'all let me know. So what's the next move? Y'all together. Everybody making music. We getting projects. Getting ready to put
MOB out. MOB, a whole MOB out. All together, a whole MOB out.
And we missing one member. We missing. Shout out to Jesus Montana. He ain't here with us today, but yeah, we got the compilation for the song about to drop, MOP. Everybody on there going out, but like I say, my boy Rell, got the car show coming. Yeah. He gonna keep on the YouTube content. Y'all tune in, tap in. Like, this is the beginning.
Tell them to
Get us in Fayetteville.
We got Spider-Verse in here, and we got DJ
I was just gonna say that a tour. Y'all gonna try to hit different
cities? We definitely gonna try to put a tour together.
See, right now we're on a radio promo, so we here and then we finna get the name out. I think I'm trying to get Oklahoma, then Atlanta, then Dallas. So that's what we're trying to do. Just you know what I'm saying, get it out there. You know what I'm saying? Besides social media, just get it out there like in person. Let everybody get a feel of our energy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Did y'all hit the mall yet?
No, we're going there next.
I meant to take a holler at people, NWA Hype at the mall.
We're going there next.
NWA Hype.
Yeah, they got all the dopest shoes and all that. Like
I definitely gotta go there.
Let them know we're gonna come right.
Yeah, we coming through there.
Yeah, already. So, okay, y'all got albums dropping this summer. Any other projects we need to look for this summer?
We gonna be dropping. I know I'm gonna be dropping the compilation. Then I'm gonna have some singles dropping. We got plenty visuals finna drop.
Alright.
We got deals on the table. We're weighing our options. But it's plenty. Y'all know after the stunts like we've been pulling, man, it's plenty of deals on the table. You know what I'm saying? So, like, we just trying to let people know we ain't just thirsty and desperate because everybody, like you say, like Rell say, everybody got a bag.
Yeah.
Everybody.
We're trying to go with the right move, man. So
I like that.
You know what I'm saying? We want some more family. We trying to connect so that, you know what I'm saying?
They got album deals on the way. I got brand deals.
Real talk.
You know what I'm saying? A whole lot of them. I got one of the brands that I was sponsored by on my wrist, Paul Rich watch. So yeah.
Paul Rich watch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so what you got going on?
Yeah, we doing big things, man. You know.
Yeah. And you know the YouTube. A lot of people don't know anything about that. So quickly, how did you get started, and what's your biggest video?
Man, when I got started, I really didn't know which lane I wanted to go into. So I started out, you know, I had cars and stuff. I was like, damn, let me film my cars one day, you know, just to show what I got, you know, because I was just regular vlogging. Yeah. But then I saw that the car shit had popped. I'm like, damn, hold on now. I didn't know people gonna be into the cars like that.
Wow.
So I got to doing my research, like I was telling my partner, I got to doing my research on it. And I was like, dang, everybody with these type cars kind of popping. So I just end up going buying cars. Okay. And next thing you know, I get a Hellcat, boom. Shot off like a rocket, you know what I'm saying? Now I got red eye, Got box, cutlass, all of them on 28 Corleone. You know what I'm saying? Got the truck I just bought. You know what I'm saying? I got something new coming. About next week or the week after, you know what I'm saying? Like, when the doors go up, you know what I'm saying? And they say when the doors go up, and it come down. Come on, man.
I cannot forget you just gave away a Corvette.
Oh, yeah, I did do a giveaway on CA Corvette.
A real giveaway, you gave away a
Corvette, man.
Yeah. Well, they had the choice to pick get $50,000 cash or the Corvette. The person chose the cash. You know, you can't knock nobody. Everybody struggle.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? A lot of people can't maintain a car like that.
Yeah.
A lot of people just, they see that bag, they want that bag. They want that bag. They ain't trying to look up and see what the retail price or nothing like that is. They just trying to, I want that. I got bills to pay now. You know, that's what it was.
Two important things that you said I don't want to overlook. You said that you stuck with it and you did your research.
Yeah.
And that's a lot of things that people skip over that you said are very important. I respect.
Dealing with YouTube, bro, is so much of a grind. See, I post every single day and don't miss a day. You know, so I'm on a different type of grind than other people that's doing YouTube. So that's what made me stand out. I'm putting my content in your face. Whether you want it to or not, you're gonna see me pop up somewhere on your timeline. I had one partner say, "Hey bro, how you pop up on my grandma's phone?" I'm like, "Hey, it is what it is." I'm for real.
So, that's wild. That's wild. Tell us about the challenge one more time. So everybody, you talking about that money.
Hey, one more time, man. Hey, we got 10K on the line. You getting a feature from a signed artist with 50,000 promotion on it. So goddamn, you can tap in and get with it right now. Contact Ace Wells on Instagram, but that's my niece.
Right. Straight up. 10K,
you can't beat that. Ain't nobody who messing with the streets like that, man. A real 10K, this ain't no cap, this ain't none of that.
Ain't no problem.
It's dead.
You know we ain't worried about 10 if I already gave away 50. I gave away 50 and some other stuff.
Yeah.
I gave 2, don't get that twisted. The second place one got 5,000 cash too.
Let them know when the challenge is.
The challenge in like a week and a half. You got like a week and a half left. We put a 2-week limit on it. So it's been going on probably like 4 days now. We got like a week and a half left to go and tap in and post it on Instagram, hashtag MOP and tag either me or Ace Will. Any member of MOP, really any member, tag any member. Big Crib, Rell, 2 Real, B-Wade, A1, tag anybody in here.
Straight up.
Montana.
Straight up.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, before we get up out of here, anything you want to leave the people of Northwest Arkansas with, man, what they need to look out for?
Man, go follow my IG, man. It's Big Crip with 2 I's. BIGCRIIP _ on Instagram. And go get the album, man.
Album full of bangers.
Everywhere. Full of bangers.
Straight up. What you got for B-Way?
It's your boy B-Way for real. Go follow my IG at B-Way for real on Snapchat until their radio station, 50,000 subscribers. We popping on Snap, like this where we're really popping.
Alright.
Anything you miss on the other social site, we're gonna put it on Snap.
Okay. I ain't follow you on the Snap. I'm missing out.
Yeah, B-Way _ get money on Snap. Let's go. Fayetteville, like I said.
Already.
Y'all can follow me on YouTube, Rell2Real. That's RELLTOREAL. Instagram, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm everywhere. So y'all tap in with your boy. You know what I'm saying? And
Yeah, man, y'all can tap on my Instagram, A1_official _A1_. You can follow me on Snap, JAYLONLIVSUY1. You can follow me on Facebook, Walk Down A1. And I'm gonna drop something pretty soon.
We look forward to it.
Hey man, look, I got one thing to say. I want y'all to remember the name SG Santana, man. SG Santana, I'm one of the top 2 coming out this motherfucking country. Goddamn it. I just want y'all to remember that name, SG Santana.
SG Santana. We appreciate y'all straight up, man. MOP in the building, millions over pennies. Hey, we looking for y'all and any support you need. You know, we got you up here straight up.
Tell them folks to book us in the
man, come on, we're coming down here. We gonna everybody.
We gonna bring the band.
Spider, you heard?
That's the man over there.
That's the man. We got y'all, man. We appreciate y'all straight up. Y'all, this is Kiss on the 5.3, 1340.
Ace ain't even looking at my camera. That mother all over.
No, I
know that mother. I worked good, boy.
Yeah, man, make sure y'all tap in with everybody, man, for sure.
All right, y'all, man. We just finished up in the radio interview. Okay, man. We see y'all. Yeah, tap in. That camera rolling. They go crazy when the camera rolling, man. At any given time, man. See, they mind on the wrong thing right now. Already. Yes, sir. We looking at this building too. It's all about investments, y'all. All about investments. Boy, y'all hear him pull up in that scatty pack. That boy pulling up in the scatty pack. Don't do it to him. See.
You trying to hide that cigarette?
Don't do it to him in the scatty pack. What's going on? Hey, come get on the vlog.
Hey.
Come put everything on there.
It's
Hold on, what you eating?
Huh?
What you eating?
Hey, I got my chicken bowl with me.
Damn, okay. What's y'all Instagram?
Y'all do me a favor.
Emma with 4 A's and then Kate with 4 E's.
I got a 10K
Okay, what's yours?
What's my what?
Your Instagram?
At Emma Stipo STIPO.
Okay.
Hey, listen, I'm finna get y'all on camera and say shout out Millions Over Pennies in that 10K challenge. Millions Over Pennies. We in Fayetteville, Arkansas.
Millions over pennies with the 10K challenge. Millions over pennies. Y'all been drinking early. What's in that goddamn cup now, girl? God damn.
Shout out Millions Over Pennies.
Hold on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Shout out Millions Over Pennies. Give him a shout.
What? Huh? Oh, man. Don't tell me we're having a moment.
We're giving away $10,000, so y'all gotta say.
Shout out Millions Over Pennies. I got
Give us the money.
Yeah, wait, do we win?
Y'all gotta get it right.
Go on, spit something.
Can anyone have like a car there?
Yeah, give us a ride. Can someone give us a ride?
Which a Chipotle?
It's a less than a mile.
We looking at this building.
You live
Less
there?
than a mile.
That empty building?
Why? Nigga the lock, nigga say, boy, you know that's on the 100. Nigga be talking about busting nigga with a lock, nigga say, boy, you know that's on the 100. Nigga say, man, you gonna be able to go flex that nigga. You go to the Supermax forever.
Oh, you ain't going to the next.
Boy, this it, bleed. This it. Ain't this it, man? What's the number? What's the number we need to call? Damn, I already got it. Got it. Put down that end. Go off to get that. Let's go to their moms. What they talking about? We'll make some motion start there. Let's go.
Boy, you gon' pop.
Hey, let's go to the mall, get some motion started.
Let go.
Yeah, because that both probably waiting on.
1 hour later.
All right, man, we're headed right here. We at the Fayetteville Mall. I don't even know what's the name of this junk, but we finna tap in with some little stores and stuff up in here. Just doing a little bit of marketing, you know what I'm saying, while we on the road. See the big boy truck, man. I know we still gotta put them cars in that thing, even though we out of town. See how they ride, man. Big rust hole in the back. Yeah, big boy truck. Big boy truck. Yeah, but we just moving and grooving right now. I'm gonna catch y'all once we get off in there. You know what I'm saying? Radio interview. Shout out to everybody, man, that did the radio interview. All the DJs, everything, radio hosts, everybody. Oh, down at the Cotto. Everybody been, I don't really like these like that, but people been going crazy over them. I ain't into them like that. I don't know, I don't like 6s. I ain't never had a pair in my life. I rock the 7s though, not the 6s. See what they got going in here. They got the Supreme ones though. Who finna buy you now? Damn, son.
Oh my God, what they want for this?
Man, get away from over there. That's them OGs right there. I know you talking about them. These them OGs. I know you talking about them. They won't buy. They got Travis Scott's up there. What's going on? Doing all right?
Yeah, you doing good?
Oh yeah, chilling, man.
Oh, for real? Who's on the B-Way? What's his name? Kiss. Okay, 105.3. What's up, man? What's up?
I thought he threw you some money over there.
Playing on my
my desk. I totally.
I buy cars, man, now. Fuck these shoes. Hear what I said? I buy cars now. Fuck these shoes. Shit. These motherfuckers car notes. You know, cause they know everything hard to come across. These 300 though. These look good. I ain't gonna cap. Them 300. Them chunks used though. Hey, is these used shoes, consignment shoes, or?
You know,
they do?
They just resell.
For real? Hey, I like them too. I ain't gonna cap. What? Yeah, I like this color. I ain't gonna cap. Yeah, I got a trip coming up to Jamaica, so I need some. Next week I'll be in Jamaica, so you know, well, I gotta get some. I ain't get a stick. Oh, them blue. What? I got them at home.
These?
Yeah.
These kind of got played out there.
These on $275. They down at retail. Almost. Them 13. I don't know. I like this color though. I don't know if it was. Damn, should I get these? I don't know, man. I need something more exclusive that can go with more. Them junks ain't gonna go with everything. I like, yeah. I don't like thinking when I'm putting on shit. Yeah, it got that pink
Then
on
look,
it.
you ain't lying. If you get them certain colors, you got them.
Yeah, you get a headache in the closet and shit. Yeah, exactly. I don't be having time.
You say, oh yeah, this so hard, ain't it? Look,
you know I love
you ahead.
You know I love them shoes. I want these, though. They ain't got my size, though.
I'm finna see if he got my size in there, though. I like them colors too down there.
See, I got
them little tans,
before it get too motherfucking hot.
Hold on, man. Oh, let me see about these ones over here. Man, they got that copyright going on. Them jump for.
What's up, dog? I'm Jack. We're at NWA Hype in Fayetteville. Y'all come check out our website. We got Rell Gang in the building.
Yes, sir. Rell to Rell in the building, man. We brought the whole Rell Gang with us. Then we got the whole millions over pennies.
Shopping spree going down here.
Yeah. So, man, we going up in here. We picking out shoes and stuff. The whole gang finna get a pair of shoes. I'm finna get these 2 pair of shoes that's up in here. I wanted these and them other ones. Yeah, the patent red. Go to them so they can see, man.
Right there.
Then do y'all take consignments? Do y'all?
So we buy shoes. We don't consign.
Exactly.
We buy shoes. Hit us on Instagram at NWA Hype. Check out our website. We ship every day, so we got everything. All the new releases, all the heat, anything like that.
Yeah. He definitely got some heat in here. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. Y'all know, you go to some of them stores, they be dry, man.
Yeah, no.
You know what I'm
saying? We got the best prices too. Better than all them Dallas stores.
Yeah. No, you do got that. I ain't gonna cap. You do got them Dallas stores beat. But yeah, I'm gonna get these 2 pair. We're gonna see what the other guys gonna get. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you wanna show us around, I know you work in the front.
We can show you the stock.
Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Show you the back. This all gonna help.
For sure. Yeah, man. It's the stock room.
Oh, y'all see what's going on. They is not playing no games.
Everything. All sizes.
Come on now.
Restock everything.
You don't have to go to LA and Dallas and all that. You can be right here in Arkansas. Only thing you gotta do is travel an hour or 2 out the city.
Everything.
Come right up here, man. He about to close you in, boss. Oh, man. He about to close him in.
Yeah, we really got a little bit of everything now.
Yeah, they got everything. The shirts. So tell them about the clothes. What type of clothes y'all sell?
So we got like V-Lone, Anti-Gallery Department, you know, Supreme. We get every Supreme drop.
No, that's Supreme big.
Spider Worldwide,
that's Supreme
Young
and
Thug,
big.
Essentials, Spirit God, Travis.
What that Young Thug stuff be looking like?
Yeah, like Spider, Young Thug, all Travis Scott, everything.
Yeah, y'all see, I saw the Travis Scotts up there, the ones.
Bait, Anti. We really just.
That's what I be wearing. I be wearing a lot of that bait too. Yeah, yeah, Vaping Supreme is real popular in Dallas and Houston, sure. Really.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, y'all see what he got going on, man. Y'all tap in with him. Shoes for days, though.
You dig.
You know, shoes for days. You know, some people don't be having the sizes like that.
Yeah, we got all
you
sizes.
can tell they got the sizes for
yes,
real.
Sir.
Yes, sir. So, hey, y'all want to tap in with them, make sure y'all hit up their Instagram. Make sure y'all come in the store if y'all want to come here. Do y'all ship? That'd be the main thing.
Worldwide, we ship worldwide. NWAHype.com.
Okay, make sure y'all tap in with them, man. Definitely. Yes, sir. Oh, he got the money glass over here. He got the money glass over here. Ooh, okay. What you finna do with them? Them look like some future wear.
You hear me? This some shit they ain't got in the city.
Yeah, I wear that too. I ain't gonna lie.
No cap, man.
Just to be different.
I ain't never had a V-long, so I need to get a V-long.
You finna get you some V-long?
I ain't never had a V-long.
Under the V-long. Under down like King Kong. They don't wanna leave me alone. Sure. They got the New Balances up there. Who getting them? Them just look like the Louis Vuittons, don't it? Yeah.
When they got the LV right here.
Yeah, they look like the hey. Don't they look like the Louis Vuittons?
Louis, bro. Them Louis they got with the
Louis
Vuittons.
I thought they were right there, like the Louis. Them just look like the Louis.
Oh God, this really a new song. He look like the Louis.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, but definitely, man. Y'all come tap in with them. Y'all see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? These just came out. I heard everybody going crazy over them. Me, I don't too much like 60s, so you won't see me going crazy over. Yeah, I ain't going crazy over them, but yeah, y'all definitely tap in with them. Come on, man. Yes, sir. Them foes right there. Gotta jump on them. You know what I'm saying? Gotta jump on them. But yeah, man. Copyright music though. So we're gonna move away from that copyright music before they get me copyrighted. You know, they already rich. We gotta get paid. Shit. Got the jackets, little section over there. But yeah, definitely, man. Y'all tap in with them. Ooh, these joints right here though. Them joints nasty though. Huh? On Dixon? On the radio station? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, man. What my boy got over here? You got them Supreme things? Woo, stop playing with them.
Some shit to add to the collection.
Come on, man.
They gonna light
yeah,
up
them jump fire. And they go with what you got on right now, so you can switch up at any given time.
Yeah.
What's your name? Yeah.
Big Group. It's me, A1 Official, B-Wave.
Where you from?
Huh?
Yeah,
I'm from Little Rock, bro from Texarkana, bro from Conway, and G from North Little Rock.
Y'all rapping tonight?
Huh? Nah, we just came down here. We trying to get y'all hit Spider, man. Tell them to get us down here. We trying to get booked down here right now. We putting some stuff together.
Yeah.
Like we just put some stuff together at the station.
Yep.
We ain't got no set date, but we definitely gonna be tapping in. You got IG? Big Crew?
Tojo from Memphis.
From Memphis?
Yeah.
I'm from Memphis too.
I grew up in Park, Park in Arkansas. It's about an hour. It's about an hour 40 minutes from Little Rock. Park in Ford City.
Yeah. Now I know what you're talking about now. I'm actually from West Helena, but you know what I'm saying, I've been in Memphis all my life. But I stay in Dallas now. Been in Dallas about 5 years. Yeah, I do YouTube, so you gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, definitely.
That's why I see y'all on
YouTube.
On Facebook.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see them, man.
I already know.
Yeah, rappers and YouTubers, man. Yeah, you already know. My. Well, man, we ain't playing no type of games, man. I told them things. I'm butting them over here. Finna eat them some fake hibachi over here, huh? What's that? Some Chinese food? Japanese? Gotta give me something to drink, man. My mouth drying them off. Yes, sir.
Oh, ain't it easy?
Huh?
He can do that to that car easy.
Yeah, look
you
at
got
him.
that wine on there?
He look like he wants some smoke. He got his little demon replica wheels.
He got the demon wheel on there.
Yeah, them little replicas.
Why you look back at it like that?
He look back at it like because he think he got some.
He just got that.
Yeah, he just had probably.
That's an RT though.
No, that's a scat RTs. Yeah.
He got a demon wheel on it.
Yeah, Sket's got RT in the front of him.
Probably got that bitch tuned up, ain't it?
Heck nah, he ain't got that mother tuned up. Boy, I know what a tuned car sound like.
Yeah, look at his boy.
But he got that growl. The other dude didn't. He got that growl on his. He must did that muffler delete on that.
I ain't gonna lie, but them Hellcats, you can't even do that. Hell
You
no.
get loose, boy.
Oh boy, I can. I can.
You know how to drive them. You know how to work, yeah.
Yeah.
But they just playing, yeah, before they spin around on your head.
Boy.
Too much twerking every ring on
He got that. Boy, he hitting it though. You can tell he got his control on it. Boy, he can't slide. He can't hit it like he wants to.
You got a traction on
Yeah,
it.
shit. I wouldn't turn it off. You turn it off, that's when you gonna be in the ditch. I used to turn it off, but ain't no reason to.
Probably give me one of them.
Cause they still gonna spin.
Need me some.
Hey, you never know what you're gonna see out here, boy. Come on, man.
You know,
boy, we trying to buy the main truck.
Do what we did today.
Man, TV truck, bro. Come on, man.
Sometimes you're the windshield, sometimes you're the bug.
Boy, do not play, boy. Trying to buy the truck, man.
2-point favorites against
Trying to buy the truck.
And they got boat
That's crazy,
by
bro.
20 plus. This year, 4-point favorites.
Definitely, man. Get one of them, man, for my YouTube channel on the side of that time. Right up and down the streets, man. Boy, we'll go crazy. Then you can play the music too. You can have people album covers on the side just playing their music, bro. Real shit. Hey, you can have a person album cover on the side playing their music riding around the city. Everything. Yeah. That's why I said I can ride around playing YouTube video, everything. Definitely, man. For real. Boy, you don't never know what you're gonna get into, boy, on these trips like this, boy. Big working, man. We big working. Best believe that. Yes, sir.
One eternity later.
What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? They've been asking about you. They've been asking where you been. They've been asking where you been. They've been asking. Okay, y'all, man, so I got this package in the mail. Wanted to break this thing open for y'all, show y'all what's up in there. If she don't stop messing with me, won't leave me alone. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You look exhausted and tired. Leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone. See? You can tell these folks be stealing and stuff, man. They bust your packages open and stuff, trying to see what's up inside of them before they bring them to you. Like, I promise y'all don't understand, man. These shipping companies, man, they all crooks. Now, without me tearing it up, okay. Yeah, get away from me between my legs. I ain't got nothing for you. This ain't for you. Look at her. She thinks she be grown. You ain't gonna do nothing. Ain't gonna bust a grape. Hold on. Try to get this open. There we go. Alright. What's these open? I hope it's all of them. Hope this all of them, man. It seems a little light on the light, man. Oh no, they out here. They out here. Yes, sir. Oh man, come on. They got me. These folks really got me. I'm thinking these the dang on. So that means I'm gonna have to use the original ones. And the original ones messed up. Then they gave me some double-sided tape bull crap. Some stick-on stuff. Man, these companies, man, be out here getting people. Man, I'ma use it anyway. I'ma see how it work. But yeah, that right there just killed my spirit. They got double-sided tape on here. So I guess what they are doing, okay, let me go show y'all. Let me see which one. Just say right, left side. This for the right. Let's say RL, right, left. How it gonna be for right, left? Oh my God, that's stupid. Man, let's go see. So, okay, basically, okay, let me get my phone out. See if I can get y'all some light. Okay, so basically, right here. Guess. Well, ain't no guess, I know. They wanna stick it over this instead of replacing it. I'm thinking I'm getting replacements. They done brought me some crap that you stick over. So y'all see right there, that's what it's gonna look like. But I'm doing something to them. I'm gonna just rock them out. I'm gonna just rock out with them. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just rock out with them. Hold on. Oh, y'all can't see. But yeah. It's chrome now, but y'all will see what I got on my sleeve for it once it's time for them to go on. So yeah, man, let me get myself back in the house, man. Yeah, you was looking for me then, I knew. But yeah, I'm gonna just get with y'all on another video. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, you know what I'm saying? And let's get that 100K going, man. 100K on the way. We 2,000 subscribers away from 100K. So make sure you guys do me a favor and subscribe to the channel right now. Join the Rell gang, join the team, join the family. And y'all already know what time it is. Your boy Rell to Rell. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy man, Rell to Rell. Man, if the like button, that subscribe button, that share button, go ahead, bust it down. I'm out of here like last year. Peace.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got
Pink slip, bitch, I got that cash in my pocket, yeah, pink slip. And I'm doing it dance out the lot, yeah, pink slip.
Nigga, this a hot bus, this shit, I ain't come with no pink slip.
And I got little friends with me and he ride with a 30 clip.
Nigga, don't get your ass flipped, fuck when I get your ass dipped.
I'm playing with these niggas, they all get killed.
Yeah, pink slip. My nigga shiesty with them sticks, so don't get popped, nigga. Get you knocked, nigga.
She popped the sand, the bitch is sleeping. My crew too fast, police done see me.